No, no.
Yeah.
No.
This afternoon, we are going to break down these three things quickly in one take. There will be no cuts in an ode
That's a
to
lie.
1918, the World War I movie where they did the whole thing in 3 takes. And they were 2.5 hours movies. I saw it twice. Amazing movie. Let's go. Oranges. Cut off the top, cut off the bottom, cut the sides off. So this is the pineapple, which is right next to this, is going to be the same. And then we're going to cut the segments out and squeeze the juice. It's good to. This is much better than just cutting it. A lot of people just cut like this. Yeah. All the white. Boom. You could do it with a smaller knife if you're comfortable with. I just get used to doing everything just with this knife. One take. We might fast forward though, just because this might get more.
That's what she said.
Oh, who told you that, Pat? Who told you that? Tell me your name. Could be, it's one of so many.
Two fighting over at the moment, no?
Huh?
It's two fighting over you at the moment, anyway.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Whoa!
Claudia and Michelle.
Whoa! All right. So these are the oranges segments. Very tasty, very crispy. No white bits.
Crispy.
Well, you know, fresh fruit. Cut top, bottom. This is just like the orange. These are the local pineapples. They're pretty small and pretty tasteless. I'm not gonna lie, but you get the idea. I mean, you can do apples like this, melons. It's kind of we did mangoes like that. Same deal. Okay. Check, make sure you got it all. Got it all. And we're gonna get the core out. Some people eat the core. I'm not a fan. There we go. Pineapple done. Processed. All right, quick. Rinse the fruit juice. Onto the pepper. A lot of people complain about the seeds. This is how you do it. And don't get the seeds in any way, except in the trash. Then I like to go and get this white stuff off. Still tastes good, doesn't look that nice. Oops. There you go. One take. Thank you, everyone.
Take 10. All right, cool.
I'd like to thank the Academy. I have a short speech ready. Couldn't do this without my parents. Where I grew up, small neighborhood, dirt road, stone walls, and I'd like to thank you, everyone. Thank you. COVID-19 going a little crazy, everyone. Lockdown.